Tired of that pesky Discord overlay crashing your game's vibe, or just tanking your frames per second? Let's ditch it. First things first, fire up Discord and look for the user settings gear icon down in the bottom left corner, right next to your username and avatar. Give that a click. Now, on the left-hand side, scroll down until you spot activity settings. Under that, you'll find game overlay. Click on that. Alright, here's the magic switch. See that big toggle labeled enable in game overlay? Just click it to turn it off. That's it for a global disable, but stick around. We'll cover how to disable Discord overlay on the individual game. To disable the overlay for individual games, under the activity settings, go to the games option. Here, you will see a list of recognized games. Find the game that's giving you trouble, and click the monitor icon so it has a line through it. This disables overlay on the selected game. And that's all there is to it. Now you can jump back into your game and enjoy a smoother, distraction-free experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and gaming guides.